Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So let's start introduction for myself as a graphic designer. Hello, I'm Afsa, a passionate graphic designer with 3 years of experience. I specialize in creating effective design that communicate it clearly and creatively across digital and print media. Whether it's branding, social media, or marketing materials, I strive to deliver design that not only look great but also drive results. I committed to producing high quality work that exceed expectations. This will likely resonate with potential clients or collaborators. And my personal skills, I have good organizational and communication skills. Inshallah, the class will start from after Eid 2026. Learn about courses, Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator and Canva. And what will you learn? Logo design, banner design, card maker, typography, visiting cards and poster designs. Contact me and let's talk on my page graphic designer 4081.